It's a good feeling. It's the second Lockett tournament I won in a row, so it's kind of good to kind of be up here again. The match itself was really intense. He came out fighting in the first set for sure. Definitely had my word a lot, and then I kind of had an opportunity to switch up the game a little bit, and based on his fatigue from the earlier matches and consistency, I was able to come with the victory. But it's always good to have, especially different players up in the finals again, to kind of get a good feel, and everybody. It improves the class in itself when more good players come in, and he's a good player. So hope to see him again in some other tournaments.
It was a good finals, not the result I wanted, but after about an hour in the match, there was not much left in the tank. I played 2 hours in the sun earlier at about 9:30. It was just tough, but for the next one, hope to be not a runner-up, but the champion. Give thanks. We're healthy, start healthy, finish healthy, so can't ask for more than that, really.
You ticked off one event already, which was NCB winning that, and you ticked off another one.
Right.
So you have more ticks to do, or this is the last tick?
No, we will see. I'm optimistic about tournaments that are coming up, so let's see what happens.
Jeffrey is right here to the left. Mr. Walker will make the presentation for you.
Step over. Right here.
Lockett, thanks for the opportunity and building innovative systems to the title sponsor for the inaugural amateur tennis tournament. I'm excited. I like what I've seen over the last couple of years. Couple of days. So I am actually more emboldened to double down on my investment over the next 2 years.